July. My name is Tanzan and I'm from Ladakh. So we are here to see the Himalayas' largest prostration, which occurs in the first month of lunar calendar. So in general in Buddhism, we think that this month, the first month, according to lunar calendar, is very pious month. So on the 14th, 15th, and 16th, according to lunar calendar, we do prostration to make feel ourselves that this body is nothing. It is nothing for us. So basically, we prostrate not for ourselves only, but we prostrate for the whole humanity, not for the Ladakis only, but for the whole world, so that the peace may prevail all over the world and the brotherhood amongst every religion, every person now should prevail. And moreover, we also pray the Dandi